Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, it's your girl TJ. I'm super excited today because we are coloring some hair. Today's hair is from Elva Hair. I do have their 613 lace frontal wig. I also have her in 18 inches. So this is the overall construction of the unit. It does come with 4 combs in total and a pair of drawstring. Let's get into this lace though. They came in a clutch and pre-plugged the unit and I'm just here for it. So the first color we are using today is Flaming Orange by Kiss Colors. This is the Temptation series, and I'm using the watercolor method. I just took some water from the sink, some hot water, and I'm gonna pour half of the bottle in, and I'm gonna take this old spoon I got from Dollar Tree a long time ago, and we're just gonna go ahead and mix everything together. You want to make sure it's mixed thoroughly where you're not seeing clumps of dye because it will stain your hair and just be like that. So make sure you do stir that very, very well. Now I'm going in with the other half and we're going to mix that in as well. Now that is completely mixed, I am going to start from the bottom of the wig, start from the end of the wig and dip it in just to see what the color is looking like. I already know what color I'm going for. So yeah, so we're just going to take that. And I also love having a brush as well on hand because it helps distribute the dye evenly. Don't just dip your wig in there and don't brush it through because you're going to have blonde patches all over the place. Trust me, I've done there, been there, done that. So do be mindful to have a brush to help coat the hair. Now that you're done with the bottom section, you want to make sure you're getting the middle and the root section. So you want to immerse the entire wig into the basin. Don't worry about your lace staining because it's not going to stain at all. I didn't put any got to be glue or anything on there. I just dipped it in its entirety and I used the brush again to help spread the dye out evenly. Do be mindful though, if you want a lighter color, use less dye. So use only half of the bottle if you want it lighter. I was going for that flaming hot Cheeto vibe. So yeah. Next, I'm going in with the Door Truly Red, and I'm pouring half of this mixture in, and we're going to stir it together. And then I'm going to go in with Kiss Express in the color Crimson as well. Pour half that bottle in and mix it together. I was trying to do like a little ombre effect, so it would have went from like an orange to like a deep red. But yeah, so I only dipped the bottom half of the unit in. Now this step is optional because I really can't tell if you can see a difference, but okay, so now I am rinsing out the hair dye. You want to make sure you rinse it out. I normally don't shampoo it. I just stick to rinsing it out and adding conditioner. I noticed that there was very, very few strands. Like, I don't really see none in the sink, but I know I probably got 1 or 2 strands. But now I'm adding conditioner to the unit. You just want to make sure when you wash out the conditioner that the dye is running clear. You do not want to leave any color in there because it's going to stain your hands, okay? This is a semi-permanent dye as well, so it's going to fade over time. But yeah, I let the conditioner sit in for 3 to 5 minutes and then I rinse it out. All right, guys, so this is what the unit looks like the next day. Like I said, I rinsed the conditioner out and I placed it on my manicure head and I let it air dry. And baby, this is definitely giving me flaming hot Cheeto, y'all. I was just feeling the color. Well, at first, before I put it on, I was like, I don't know if this gonna look right. But now I'm just taking some tinted lace spray and I sprayed it on the lace off camera. Now I'm just gonna cut off the excess lace and prepare to lay her down. Now I'm just wiping off the excess makeup from my hairline, and I'm using Hold Me Down Holding Spray by Erica J. I am freaking obsessed with this stuff, y'all. Ever since I got it, I have not stopped using it. Like, I don't even pick up Got To Be glue or anything when it comes down to securing my unit. So I'm just going to go ahead and secure this down. Next, I'm taking my contour shade, and this is in the shade Deep Dark from ColourPop. This is the No Filter Pressed Powder, and I'm just going to use this to cover up the lace that is showing. I know I don't look like it's doing much here, but I do build it up. I just keep adding to it blends, and once I sit my scarf on it and lay it down and add some heat, you guys are going to see the melt. This is turning out so bomb, but today I am creating the middle part. That is what I'm feeding for, and I am going to take Erica J's wax stick, and I'm gonna use this to press out the hair, especially the top. You don't want it looking bulky. Like I said, they did give us a pre-pluck unit, so you don't have to worry about plucking, especially if you're not good with it. So yeah, I'm using her Sleek and Sheen. I think that's what it's called. It's a flat iron protectant. I'm using that as well to help make everything lay nice and flat. Like I said, no bulkiness over here, nice and laid. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and mold some baby hairs. I'm only doing 4 today. I'm not doing like a full head of baby hairs. Only because with color, it just be looking weird depending on what color it is. So I'm just gonna do my edges around, is it called edges? Yeah, your sideburns. Yeah, the sideburns. And I'm just gonna do like a swoop towards the middle of my head. Now for this step, I did use my Got To Be glue spray because I just feel like it just holds my baby hairs in place. So I did pull it out for that, but yeah. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna let my baby hair sit just a little bit while I flat iron the entire head. I was definitely going for straight hair vibes today. Okay, I wanted to stay away from the curls. I've been doing that a lot lately, so definitely wanted to give straight hair. I feel like this is definitely giving me flaming hot Cheeto vibes. If you guys are feeling it or if you guys like it, let me know in the comment section below what you think of this color. Like I said, the color was flaming orange, so I knew it would be similar. Now I really can't tell the difference with that red at the end. Let me know if you guys can tell, or it's just like, no, I can't, because I can't. But anyway, I love how this color turned out on this unit. Now, I'm let me tell you guys something. I was very impressed with Elva Hair, okay? Especially their 613 hair. I've never had 613 hair like this. I'm not even capping, because most 613 hair be doing a lot of shedding. As you guys can look on my shirt, where the shedding at? It's none in my lap. It wasn't none in the sink. So that's like, sis, this is gonna be my go-to 613 hair when I want to color hair. Definitely, this has made it to number one. Okay, number one in regards to coloring hair. So definitely would recommend this unit to you guys for coloring purposes. As far as tangling, sis, I wear, like, I didn't get not one tangle even from the beginning. Like, now I'm not saying it's gonna not tangle in the future, but as of right now, and y'all seen the coloring process, me condition it and all that jazz, it has not given me a tangle. So very, very impressed. I love this unit. If you guys are interested, our information will be listed down in the description section below. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.